Well, guys, here we are again in the front porch edition, part two. As you guys can see, in my front entryway, there's no more any change. My whole tree with my glass bottle and my little birds here. The only thing that changed here was the sign that says welcome spring. So now we're gonna go inside. Like some of us do have porch. I live in a apartment building, so I don't have a porch for my plants, but we are to show our plants. So this is my space. I'm gonna turn on the light for you guys. Um, I love my plants. So it's a small place. You guys can see it's my living room and my dining room and my little kitchen. I still have my table set up, but let me show you my plants. I think these ones are called peace lilies, I think. Or I really don't know the name. I have them for a long time. They kind of droopy right now because I was fertilizing the dirt, and so they were disturbed. I have three of them. You guys can see I have one here, and they are actually all bloom. They bloom all year around. I don't do nothing special to it. Just giving water and some fertilizer. I give fertilizer 2 times a year. So guys, I'm gonna take you guys to the other place, to the other space. Here we are. This is a cactus, a winter cactus, I think it's called. Yeah, it's a Christmas cactus. This was a gift from my husband 2 years ago, and she only bloomed once. And then when I moved in here, she only bloomed. She bloomed again, and she only bloomed two flowers. I don't know what's going on. This one, he's not doing too good, but she's been like that for the past 2 years. I don't know what to do with her. If anybody knows, just leave it in the comments. Maybe Marlene can help me since she knows so much about plants. But she's been doing this for the past 2 years, and I don't want to give up on her, you know? So I really don't know. No matter what I put her, she's just like that. Um, this one we call an ivy. When I got this plant, it was about an inch long, and I have her for like, she's going on 10 years. I have her, and from her, I have a lot of babies, and the babies are taking over the house. Um, in the Bahamas, it's called the island. I mean, in the Bahamas, it's called the creeper, and because she likes to climb through the walls, and that's what she looks like, guys. That's what she looks like. um I clip her, but I don't want to clip her again for now. So that's what she looks like, guys. Yep, that's her. And this one right here is one of her babies. And yeah, guys, she's in a crock pot because she used to be in the kitchen in my other apartment because I was living in a house. So it fit the purpose over there. And there's no drainage on that, but I know how much water to give her. And she's also long. They both tangled up like right in the center. The one on the other side, she's reaching all the way over here, and the baby is about right there. So I got them over the um, window. And here, this one is the main mom of the other two that I show you guys. And this one blooms, but every time she blooms, her flower is green. I don't know why, but yep. So, and what you guys see here is eggshells. You know, I use them for the plants. I always been doing this. It was taught by my mom because of the nutrients in there. But the main plant I have her for now going on maybe 10, 15 years. And she was just a gift, and she was maybe um, about 8 inches tall when I received her. And now I have her and the other two, and I had gave some babies away. Now you guys can see she has plenty of babies in there. All right, guys, let's move on. And then this one was the snake plant that I received 4 years ago for Mother's Day. And she was maybe about 5 inches tall, and I have her now, and she's about 12 inches or maybe 13, maybe a little bit taller, I don't know. And here is another creeper belong to the other ones. And this snake plant right here is a baby that I took out from this one. And she has grown, and she's growing some fresh leaves, as you guys can see there. And where we're gonna go next? And then this one is a bamboo that I received from my niece because she didn't want it. She was gonna throw it out, and I said, "Don't throw it out. I'll take it." So she gave it to me, and it was just the two. It was three stems. As you guys can see the bottom, there goes the rest how it grows since I have her, and I have her now for like 2 years, and I keep them in water. And this that you see here, guys, is an avocado tree. I bought an avocado and I put it in a Ziploc bag to keep it fresh, and I forgot about it. And when I went to throw it out, I saw roots. So I just decided to plant it, and it has two leaves, and then it grew another leaf, and it's growing some more baby leaves on the top. And this bamboo plant right here is babies, as you guys can see. That's the baby right there. They grew, and yep, that's right there. And then here, I can't remember the name. My goodness, I always remember. This one is a plant that I use for cooking. Um, oh my God, I can't remember. I grew up using this in the island of Puerto Rico to cook with. You guys, I don't know, you guys know what it is, but yeah, guys, I cook with it, and I also make tea with it. And this was a flower plant that my husband bought for my daughter for this past Mother's Day, and it was dying, and she gave it to me. And now she's growing some fresh leaves, as you guys can see in between. The leaves are like rubbery. So I got her. And this right here, this is a peace lily for Easter, or Easter lily. That's what we call it. And then I was gonna throw it out, and you guys can see she started growing some. Let me see if she could focus. Started growing some roots on the side, or a stem on the side. So I guess she's gonna grow a plant. So I just got her there to see what she does. Um, and then this is another bamboo, and this one was maybe about 4 inches tall when I received her. So yeah, guys, those are my babies. They keep me company. I love taking care of my plants, and I just want to say that this is a part of an open collaboration hosted by Marlene How To. She has more co-hosts. I will link everybody's channel in the description box, guys. And I hope you like my video about my plants. And let me come over here and say hello. Hi, guys. Thank you for being here and see my plants. Marlene, thank you for hosting. Guys, I'm going to place, like I said, everybody's link in my description box so you guys can go and check them out. And watch the playlist, give it a thumbs up. And if you don't have Marlene, and if you need help with your plants or anything about your plants that you would like to know, You could just watch her channel. She has a lot of knowledge about plants. Um, I've been taking care of my plant for so many years that I'm used to it, and I love my plant, guys. And they help you purify the air in your home. And I think, to me, it's just a joy to have my plants. Anyways, I'm gonna leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy, and remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. And we'll be into the next one. Bye, bye, guys.